Myself, Chethan Srinivasa. I work for Visa as a Senior Director, Product Management Billing. Product management is about solving real-world problems and touching lives of people, and it's fascinating function for me. It's about the pedagogy, the hands-on experience, learning and applying what you learn in the environment of a classroom, and also you get exposed to various faculty who come with diverse background and they are experienced practitioners. And the last thing is networking part, which is more important as you journey in the product management function. I can call out a couple of, not just one. I would say that pick up some unsolved problem wherever you are and apply your learnings and the frameworks of the product management if you are pursuing. And network with someone within your organization and showcase your demonstrable assets. And that's where you can level up and grow within an organization or even beyond.